EdaFace, bringing financial freedom.
Welcome to EdaFace Media, which is part of EdaFace Ecosystem. My name is Patricia. EdaFace is a user interface aggregator powering the decentralized world system using blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. EdaFace Media will be providing you with regular news updates about the emerging digital age. Therefore, subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep receiving up-to-date news. Disclaimer. The information provided in this broadcast does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. It is purely for your information, education, and entertainment. You can read our full disclaimer on EdaFace's website at edaface.com. Breaking news of the week. First breaking news. China to launch Bitcoin reserve. China is making moves that could impact the entire cryptocurrency market. There are reports suggesting that the country is considering launching a strategic Bitcoin reserve and may soon lift its crypto ban. This has created a buzz, especially for altcoins tied to Chinese blockchain projects, as they stand to benefit from the country's growing interest in the digital assets. Ashkey CEO recently said, "I think there is a possibility the mainland China government will reconsider their stance towards the crypto and Web3 industry." China's push into cryptocurrency seems driven by its desire to compete with the US and strengthen its position globally. As more countries embrace digital currencies, China wants to lead the way in crypto and blockchain technology. Experts believe that when China lifts its crypto ban, a significant amount of money will flow into Chinese tokens. Analysts explain that in a positive scenario, their liquidity will first flow into China-related tokens, potentially sparking a rally in altcoins connected to Chinese blockchain projects. Second breaking news. Hyperliquid whale behind the $20 million trade revealed. A mysterious trader who made $20 million from leveraged trades on Hyperliquid and GMX, has been identified as William Parker, a British hacker with a history of financial crimes. As per ZachXBT, the British hacker was booked last year for stealing no fewer than $1 million from 2 casinos. It was not the first time that he had been booked for a crime of this nature. It was revealed that the same British hacker was arrested a decade ago for hacking and gambling. Highlighting the remorseless nature of this hacker, it is clear the hacker has not learned his lesson over the years. It was revealed that it was a phone number that helped to expose the connection between Parker and the suspicious leveraged trades. The phone number was provided by a person who had earlier received a payment from the wallet address of the whale trader. The crypto investigator also alleges that some public wallet addresses connected to the whale trader received proceeds from past on-chain phishing schemes. However, the claims made by the investigator have yet to be verified independently. The mysterious trader had a $200 million bet that the price of Ether would go up on Hyperliquid. The whale then intentionally caused their own $200 million position to be liquidated. This means the exchange automatically sold off their Ether to cover potential losses. This massive liquidation caused Hyperliquid's pool of money to lose $4 million. Even though it caused a big loss for the platform, the whale still made around $1.8 million from this action. This is due to the size of the trade and the way that the fees and the price movement interacted. Hyperliquid clarified that this was not a hack. It was a result of how their system worked under extreme trading conditions. To prevent this from happening again, Hyperliquid changed its rules for how much collateral traders could need to keep in their accounts, especially for large positions. Notably, after the Ether liquidation, the whale continued trading and opened a new large long position on Chainlink. In conclusion, the exposure of William Parker as the $20 million whale highlights risks in the crypto space where hackers can exploit trading strategies for profits. Exchanges like Hyperliquid had tightened their security measures, but questions remain about how bad actors continue to operate undetected. Third breaking news: KuCoin, BitMEX and others face sanctions. South Korea is tightening its grip on the crypto industry, and this time, foreign exchanges like KuCoin and BitMEX are in trouble. The country's Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, has identified multiple crypto platforms operating illegally without proper registration. These exchanges have been offering services to South Korean investors without complying with local regulations. Now, authorities are looking into blocking access to these platforms and taking strict actions within the year. South Korea takes crypto offenders very seriously and gets on their toes to regulate the crypto industry and prevent financial misconduct. According to local reports, the FIU is working with the Korea Communication Standards Commission to analyze investors' damages and enforce stricter oversight. The government is making it clear: if you want to operate in South Korea, you must follow the rules. KuCoin, BitMEX, CoinW, Bitunix, and KCEX are among the exchanges facing potential sanctions. Local reports suggest that authorities are already consulting with relevant organizations to take action. This comes right after the government rejected the idea of holding Bitcoin as a strategic reserve, citing its volatility and risks. At the same time, the Bank of Korea is moving ahead with its central bank digital currency CBDC pilot, which is expected to last 3 months starting April. It's not just foreign exchanges under fire. Local platforms are also facing investigations. Prosecutors recently raided Bithumb after suspicions that its former CEO, Kim Dae-sik, embezzled company funds to purchase an apartment. Bithumb denied any wrongdoing, stating that Kim had already taken a loan to repay the funds. Meanwhile, reports have surfaced that intermediaries were allegedly paid millions to list crypto projects on major South Korean exchanges like Bithumb and Upbit. Upbit responded by demanding transparency and asking for a list of projects involved in these alleged deals. While such crackdowns look good, it is also true that too much scrutiny can drop investors' interest in the country. While other countries are putting stress on this trillion-dollar industry, South Korea's tight regulations can only divert the investors to opt for crypto-friendly countries to sustain. Market performance: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP price analysis. The cryptocurrency market has gradually gained bullish sentiment after being trapped in a correction mode for the larger share of the first quarter of 2025. The total crypto market cap has edged 1% in the past 24 hours to hover about $2.94 trillion on Monday, March 24th, during the early European session. Moreover, global markets have largely factored in the US-led tariff wars. Bitcoin price opened earlier this week with a bullish outlook after closing the last 2 weeks in the green. The renewed interest in Bitcoin from whale investors, as shown by the declining supply of BTC on centralized exchanges and notable cash inflows of US Spot BTC ETFs helped the flagship surge to nearly $87,000 at the time of this writing. From a technical analysis standpoint, Bitcoin price is aiming for $91,000 in the upcoming days after piercing through a previously established falling logarithm trend. However, Bitcoin price must consistently close above $87,000 in the coming days to invalidate a potential sell-off below $80,000. According to on-chain data, the overall demand for Ethereum remains low compared to Bitcoin. However, Ether's price has a high correlation with Bitcoin based on historical trends. Moreover, Ether's price gained over 7% last week to trade at about $2,048 on Monday. The large cap altcoin with a fully diluted valuation of about $247 billion and a 24-hour average trading volume of around $10 billion has also signaled a possible momentum reversal. After closing last week with a bullish outlook, Ether's price is likely to regain $2,100 as a support level by the end of this week. Following the closure of the Ripple versus SEC case, XRP price has signaled the onset of the second bullish trend toward price discovery. The large cap altcoin with a fully diluted valuation of about $245 billion and a 24-hour average trading volume of around $2.5 billion closed the past 2 weeks on the green. XRP price surged over 3% to trade at about $2.46 at the time of this writing. With the renewed interest in XRP by institutional investors, the altcoin is well positioned to rally towards $2.9 by the end of this week. Eda Coin update. The NFT marketplace, which is the fifth component of EdaFace, has successfully passed through the various stages of development and is now in its testnet phase, where it is being integrated into the single sign-on system of EdaFace Ecosystem. What is unique EdaFace NFT marketplace? Friends, EdaFace NFT marketplace has unique features such as 1. 3 market arenas. EdaFace NFT marketplace is uniquely divided into 3 arenas for each of the 3 kinds of non-fungible tokens NFTs, which are art, collectible, and gaming NFTs. This division allows users easy access and navigation across the platform. 2. Multi-chain capability. The unique thing about EdaFace NFT marketplace is that it is a multi-chain platform. This means it can accept non-fungible tokens from different blockchain platforms such as Ethereum and BNB-based platforms. 3. Intra-chain transfer. Non-fungible tokens can be minted on other marketplaces such as OpenSea or Binance and then transferred to EdaFace NFT marketplace for display to the teeming EdaFace communities. Likewise, users can mint NFTs on EdaFace marketplace and transfer them to other NFT platforms or reserve them in their wallets. This is an intra-chain transfer which offers flexibility to NFT transactions. 4. Varieties of minting. One unique feature of EdaFace NFT marketplace is that it has 7 minting formats, which are: first, single minting; second, uni-multiple minting; third, multi-multiple audio minting; fourth, poly-multiple image minting; fifth, poly-multiple video minting; sixth, layer-by-layer minting; and seventh, lazy mintings. No other NFT marketplace in the industry offers such a variety of minting, thus placing EdaFace NFT marketplace over established platforms such as OpenSea, Binance NFT, and Rarible. EdaFace NFT marketplace brings more utilities for Eda Coin. Watch out for its mainnet version that will unveil this unique platform to the world very soon. Visit EdaFace.com for more information about EdaFace NFT marketplace. Introducing EdaFace Mall, the future decentralized shopping. EdaFace Mall is a blockchain commerce platform that links physical products to online services using both cryptocurrency and fiat payment systems. It is a decentralized digital shopping platform that revolutionizes e-commerce with its novel B-commerce that enables secure, crypto-powered transactions. Note that B-commerce refers to blockchain commercial activities. Explore the future of online commerce today. You can access the EdaFace Mall by visiting its official website at mall.edaface.com. Eda Coin private sale now live on EdaFace Launchpad. If you missed the Eda Coin pre-sale, this is another opportunity to acquire the coin at a special rate. Eda Coin private sale is now open, offering an exclusive chance to invest early at a special rate. Hosted on the EdaFace Launchpad, the private sale supports the project's expansion while giving investors a prime opportunity to acquire Eda Coin at a lower price. To buy Eda Coin in this private sale, all you need to do is follow these 5 simple steps. First step, open an account with EdaFace Launchpad by signing up at launchpad.edaface.com/register. Second step, log into your EdaFace Launchpad account with your sign-up details, then click on Buy Token and follow the on-screen information. Third step, select the available payment method, agree with the sales terms and conditions, and click on Buy Token Now. Fourth step, copy out the receiving wallet address and pay into it using BNB BEP20 or USDT BEP20 token. Fifth step, to receive your purchase either at the end of the private sale, please insert your BEP20 wallet address in the allocated place on the dashboard of your EdaFace Launchpad account. Don't wait too long. Only a limited amount of Eda is available for the private sale. Therefore, hurry so that you do not miss out. For more information, visit EdaFace website at edaface.com or its social media platforms such as EdaFace Global Telegram or EdaFace Twitter X. Links have been provided below. Thank you, my friends, for connecting with us. Also, visit the EdaFace newsfeed at news.edaface.com for daily news updates in real time. If you enjoyed the news, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join EdaFace communities on social media. Links are provided below. Thank you, my friends, for connecting with us. Till next time, bye for now.